Okay, this is a video to demonstrate how to display rental properties from your Postlets account into your main web page. So what you need to do is have your web page open. The second tab would be your WordPress page open, and you can log into that with the information that I provided. And then thirdly, have your Postlets account open. So we'll start over here showing you what our ultimate goal is, which is to have the properties from your Postlets account displayed on this page. And you'll see we have 6 properties listed right now. And if you go to this page and click on any property, it then opens up your Postlets account. So now we want to manage the properties that are displayed on this page. So these are managed by going into the WordPress, and after you've logged in, you'll get to the WordPress dashboard. And I'll explain this in a separate account, how to use all of the features in your WordPress account. But what we're interested in at this point is the page that has your property listings on there. So if we go on the left-hand side and click on pages, we can go down to rental and lease properties page, and then underneath that you click edit, and now that brings up a dialog box that allows us to make edits to the content of that page. And we have 2 ways of looking at this page. The first is with a visual editor, which these yellow boxes display the placeholders for the content of each listing. And you can scroll down and see that there currently, I believe, are 6, just like there are 6 listings on this page. Okay. Now, in order to edit this information, it's important that we click over to the HTML viewer for the content of this page. And I know that in doing this, you won't be familiar necessarily with HTML code, but I'll show you the basics of what you need to do so that you can understand it. The page is divided into thirds once we're doing our postlets, and that's this code right here, 1/3, and then that's the end of the code of 1/3, and then this coding right here is the information that the web page needs to bring up your listing from the Postlets account. So what we're trying to do is go to our Postlets account and acquire this information, and then copy and paste it onto this this page. And this information again comes from your Postlets account. So I'll go over to the Postlets account, and you're familiar with this. You will need to be logged in, and as I said, we've included 6 of these listings, and you can see the addresses, and I believe there are 4 more that we would like to add today. So I'm just going to add 2 of them so that you can see how to do it yourself. So we go to the property we want to add, click on links here, and it brings up a page which gives you additional information about how to link your Postlets account in other places. And the one that we're interested in grabbing is the embed code in these Postlet minis, and I was using the medium size. And if I just put my mouse over this and drag it across, I'll grab the code, and then right click, copy, go back to our edit page, go down to the bottom, we enter a couple extra lines, and we put in paste. I did Control V. You can also right click and hit paste from your mouse. Now, in order to get this to display properly, we need to use these 1/3 and close 1/3 tags like we have for the other properties. and those are in brackets. So if you just copy the 1/3, stick it in here, and then the close 1/3, stick it at the end of the listing. Once that's in, we've added now one listing here, and we can update the page, go back to our listings page and hit refresh, and now we will have the 7th listing included. So now I'll go through and do that one more time. We'll go back to your listings here, pick the next one on the list, go to the links page, scroll down to the mini, copy that code, go to the bottom of our page here, copy that code. I realized I made a mistake here with the 1/3 last. We just want that to be 1/3. Paste that, paste the close tag. Click update. Go back to this page and refresh. And now we have that listing included. And just for reference, the 1/3 last is simply a short code that's saying that we've divided the page into thirds, and the two tags indicate the content of the start and the finish of what's in that 1/3 of the page. And the 1/3 last is a short code saying that's the last of the 3 columns. So when you do your third one in the column, it's important that you include the underscore LAST in both the open and close tags. And that's it. Have any questions? Give me a call. Thanks.